Hey everybody, as you can see, first grade has already been assigning to our class, and what we do is we come to our program, we're the turtle, and then there's going to be table of contents, resources, standard, e-text, tools. You come to table of contents, you scroll down, and like we're on topic 1, so we're going to click on topic 1. And then it'll come up with all these items, like topic challenge. So if you're on lesson 1, you just click on it. And then you'll see it says assign all, which means you can just assign everything. Or what we're thinking of doing is as a check, do this quick check. So you click that, and you said assign selected. Just one thing is selected. You choose when you want to start it. So I want to start it today. It's going to be due tomorrow. Now, I also have this automatically assign remediation. That means if they need help, they're going to have until next week to get it done. So then you come up to your class, and I'm just going to assign it to myself as a student page. You can assign it to your entire class or just yourself. Also, if you're like Ms. Clapper and I and share classes, you can assign it to your other peer class. So then, you'll notice this is attached to my Google Classroom. So I then assign it. So then I can come to classes, and I can look at my assignments. And right now, quick check 1. Hasn't been, okay, you'll see here I have one due next week. That's because I did assign it for everybody later on. But you can also assign the games, and I can show you how to assign the games so that the kids can go straight to the games you want them to go to. But this is how we've been assigning things on the Savvas. And then if you come to your classroom, and I'm going to log in as I'll just log in as myself here. And it will appear in your classroom, just like it did last year when we were online. So, if you have any more questions, let me know. I can help you guys out.